Hello friends, hello wonderful humans. My name is Anna and I'm your shuffle dance teacher. I've been shuffle dancing for almost 2 years now. I traveled the world. I held shuffle dance classes in South Florida, and I have my own YouTube channel where I teach you how to shuffle dance and be your best self. Welcome back to the second episode of me teaching you basic shuffle dance steps specifically for the Elements channel. Let's go ahead, and today's move is crisscross. Let's go. Alright my friends, so the crisscross move looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We can turn around. And variations. Alright, now let's break it down. Very simple. First we're gonna learn the position of our feet for every count, and 1 and 2. So I'm gonna grab you and show you how it looks from up top. So we're standing right like this, and then we go and 1 and 2. So and our toes are touching, heels apart, and 1 is heels are touching, toes apart, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. That's very simple. Now let's attach the step. So we have already and 1 and 2. So now for and, we're lifting one leg up like that. So knee goes inside, foot is pointing outwards. So we go and. Let's start from our right leg as we all do. So and again, our toes are kind of touching, so the position of the feet stays the same. We go and 1, we are putting right foot, the foot that was up, we are putting it in front, and the position of the feet stays as we said. Our heels are touching. It's just one is in front of the other, so it's gonna be like this. It's like a fourth position in ballet if you're a ballerina. So again, we go and 1. Now we are switching to the left leg. So for and, we're gonna bring our left leg out. Again, the position of the feet, toes are touching. For 2, we are putting left leg in front. So it's basically we are gonna be going from the leg to the leg in front. So we're gonna be moving forward. This is the beginning. You're gonna learn it like that. You're gonna be moving forward. So we stand and we do and 1 and 2 and 3. You see, and I'm just going and moving forward. So let me show you from the back. So I always find it easier for you guys to follow me from the back. So we stand like this and we go and the position of the feet, toes inside, and 1. Right leg in front of the left. Then we're putting our weight to the right leg and 2. And then over again and 1. So the leg that is standing, it's always pivoting like we tried to do in the beginning. Boom, boom. Don't forget this micro jumps, yes, the bouncing, as we learned in our lesson 1. So let's do it slowly from the back all together. We have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let me turn and you can look sideways. 1 and 2. We're putting the weight on the leg that is in front of us. And 1 and 2. And then as we do it faster, it just goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the trick how to stay in spot, like I'm staying, you see, when we learn, we initially start doing this trick, we're always moving forward, as I showed you. The trick to stay on the place is exactly how it is in the Running Man. You have to slide that leg that you put forward under yourself, you know. So when you go here and you start again, and you don't put your weight on the front leg, but instead you do put it, but you as well slide that leg underneath you. So instead of going and, you go and. You see the difference? Instead of doing and, you go and do and. So you slide the first leg underneath yourself instead of doing that. So it's a very mobile move. You can be moving any way. You can go forward, you can go back, and you can do double takes to the front, to the back. So let me just show you a few variations so you understand where to go. And voila! So that's it. This was our lesson number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you nailed it. If not, please go back and rewatch the video. And don't be shy, give me a follow on my YouTube channel. It's Anastasiia Kirilik. My Instagram, which is at Ana Kirilik, and my TikTok, which is badly good for some awesome and upbeat shuffles and good vibes. And of course traveling. You know, when I started shuffle dancing and back 4 years ago when I gave up because there was no tutorial out there in the YouTube that will contain all the shuffle moves. You know, how you want to learn all of those jams and then put a string through all of them, and here you go, you have your dance. So because there was no tutorial like that, I gave up. And then 2 years ago when I started picking up again, I made a challenge. I was just looking around, I was watching other dancers dancing, I would break down their moves. And now on my YouTube channel I have the ultimate shuffle dance tutorial that contains all the moves that you need to make your shuffle dance amazing. We already have more than 500,000 views. I'm so grateful. Go ahead and check it out. I hope you enjoy my company as much as I'm enjoying yours, and I'll see you next time. Bye!